Okay, so it's finally time to announce our winners. For each track, we selected, or our judges selected the top three and then two special mentions. We have a reminders slide at the end, but for all of the winners and the special mentions, you'll be receiving a certificate by the end of this week. So that's always exciting. For our first track, which is Access to Care, our special mentions are Redmond Rizzlers and Team 25. Now, our third place team was ATGUS or ATGUS. So congratulations. Our second place is Flying Lemurs. And our first place team is Accessible Infinity Tunnel. So congratulations, guys. You guys put in a lot of hard work. And now I'd like to invite the judges to kind of talk about why they chose these top three teams and some of the discussions they had.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, we were looking at these projects, and some of them had some really interesting interactive visualizations, streamlit visualizations, models running on in the browser. Um, there was an optimization program in one of the projects. So I think some of these projects had some very cool uh, practically usable solutions, and also the way the data was presented, the story was built through like a website, through some anecdotes and quotes borrowed from media to contextualize the issue. I think that was something that we really loved. And yeah, all the teams did really well. I think it was hard to pick between all the work that was done. And congratulations to all the winners. I think I have another judge.
Yep, I'm right here.
Yeah.
I want to, iterate what Gaurav just said. It's been great judging all the projects. It was really hard to find top three, and we had a lot of discussion as to, why and how. There were a lot of interactive visualizations. Some of you guys even made websites and interactive dashboards. I think within such a short frame, that's a, great thing that you guys did. I also really liked how some of the teams really used things like uncertainty, time trends, clustering your own clustering methods, which is something unique. And I really appreciated that. So, congrats to all the winners, but everyone did a great job.
Awesome. Thank you, judges, for sharing that. Next, we'll be going to access to technology and announcing the winners for that track. Our first special mention is Leaders Thornton Girls. Congratulations. Our second special mention is Mini Turings. Congratulations to you guys. Third place, or second place, we have Noxical. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you guys. And first place, we have the Gold Diggers. And congratulations to all these teams. I would like to invite the judges to say a few words about what they liked about these projects.
Hey, hi. First of all, everyone did a great job. And I think the difference between, third, second, and first place was all like point 0.5, 1 point. So it was really hard. And that's why it took some time. Again, great. Special shout outs to leaders and Thornton girls. It was great work. I really liked the websites that were made and the kind of call to actions you guys had. Gold Diggers, uh, good job again on having that Chrome extension and having that demo, really showing how you can have a kind of productionalized, ready to use thing. It was a very it was very helpful, and I think Anush can mention more on that as well. But it was a really good work, a really good way to have your data kind of speak for you and have a good model kind of running. And for second place and third place, Nicole's working on Knoxville, so good job on that. The Streamlit app was really good. I think having that uh, be presented and used as a kind of method of having your own ways of tuning your own model was really helpful. So good job on that. I think you guys did a really good job on making clear and effective visualizations. So that was really good. And the mini Turing's was really great as well. I really liked your notebook. It was very clean, really to the point, and the methodology you had was great. I also really liked the presentation. It was very cohesive, and it really looked like you guys put some good like collaborative effort into it, and it seemed very put together. So, good job to all of you guys. This was hard to do, but I had a really fun time looking at all the projects, and you guys should all be proud of yourselves. So, that's.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Now, moving on to the next track, which was access to everyday life. Our special mention winners are U West and Team Thinkers. Great work. Our third place team was Data Divas. Congratulations. Our second place is United. Congratulations. And our first place is YWBH. And do the judges have a few comments to make?
Yeah, amazing job, everyone. I think everyone did a great job. It was wonderful seeing everyone's projects, and it was obviously hard to pick. Some of the people who we picked up ended up having like clear presentation flows with just, I guess, well-defined problem spaces and great visualizations. Some of the top contenders also had like good stuff in defining the limitations and assumptions they made and how they impacted the results. So yeah, it was wonderful to see everyone's work, and yeah, good luck. I think we have another judge.
Yeah.
Whom,
Just
yeah.
to add to Ritik, right? All the teams, I mean, first, second, third position, right? They did great job. One thing that I liked is uh, some of the teams, right? I think the second position and third and first also, they highlighted the stakeholder analysis, right? And then they did some data analysis, and then how they approach the problem. Uh, the selection of model, right? Model accuracy, metrics that they calculate, right? And the recommendation that they gave, that I really liked that part. For some of the teams, the future perspective is missing, so it's very hard to, uh, pick or decide or, deduct the numbers here and there. Uh, but yeah, it's very hard. So I would say all teams did pretty well. I would say congratulations to all. But it was very hard to decide which one is first, which one is second. So yeah, all the best.
And last but not least, access to a livable planet. The special mentions for this are Bad Bunnies and Kim Kardashians. Congratulations to these special mentions. Third place, we have Data Dogs. Congratulations. For second place, we have Team R&B. Congratulations to you guys. And first place, we have Machine Not Learning. Congratulations. Great job to everyone. And if the judges want to share a few words about these teams.
Yeah, I think I can go over here. It's been an honor to judge you all in the last 3 hours. Not judge you all, look at your work because the plethora of projects we could see it from data visualization to the application of data science, and some of them were real products. I would say not projects because you all actually thought of how to apply yourselves versus just building something out on the fly. For example, Datadogs, you all build a great early warning system to predict, which county would have the worst air quality index in the next year or so. So it was great to see like the complete tech development of that project and what you all thought through before building it out. So all in all, really great presentations, really great data visualizations which we could see, and all in all, really good work.
Yeah.
I think we have one more judge in this.
Yeah, and I would like to say that it was genuinely difficult to decide the winners. every team in our winners list and special mentions list, they have delivered strong presentations, very creative ideas, and thoughtful data visualization. And that's what made the judging process very challenging and enjoyable at the same time. Across all the three award-winning projects, we really appreciated how clearly problem were stated and how well the analysis flowed from start to finish. That's what I liked about that's the differential between picking the projects for the awards, and the use of interactive dashboards and well-designed visualizations for learning project was the clear segregator for them. So good job, team. I think you have worked very hard on this hackathon, and it shows. And and I also like to mention for the special mention projects, what stood out for me that you had clear focus, strong alignment to the problem statement, and very useful and actionable perspectives. So you all did a very good job into turning this complex data into insights that could have a strong real decisions. So congratulations again to all the award winners and special mentions projects, and a big thank you to everyone who participated. Great effort. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again to all of our judges and everyone who participated. Even if you didn't win anything, don't take this as a discouragement. This is a great way to just learn, and we host this every year. So hopefully you'll come back next year and create a new, more creative project. A couple of closing reminders. So for those of you who won today, there will be certificates that will be emailed to you based on the emails that you provided to us in the submission form by the end of this week. So please take a look for that. We will try to get to them as soon as possible. So if it doesn't happen by the end of this week, or if you don't get one, then please reach out to us. Otherwise, please don't send us emails. We're going to be trying to get those out as soon as possible. We also have a link to the project submissions sheet that we're going to be sharing with everyone, and that'll be included in our closing recap email. Along with this sheet where you can see the project submissions, we will also be having an event feedback form. We want to keep getting better, iterate on this event, and so we really appreciate any feedback that you all may have. And we will be sending that out by Tuesday evening. And lastly, you guys worked on such amazing projects, so please, please, please share your projects on LinkedIn and tag us. We'd love to kind of celebrate your wins and celebrate the projects that you've done. So if you ever share on any social media platform, make sure to tag us. And then, Ria, go ahead.
I think you cut out a little bit on this last one.
Oh, I was just going to say that our next project, or the next big event that we have, is the Protothon, and it'll be coming up in spring quarter. So this is a hackathon, but it's more UX design based. It's a no-code UX hackathon. So if you're interested, or if you know anyone interested in UX, please spread the word and be sure to follow us on Instagram and our Discord to learn more about the event.
Awesome. I also wanted to add real quick, we will be sending out emails with the feedback that judges gave on your projects. So how they graded it and a few comments about what they liked or thought you could improve. So we will be sending this to all of the teams. So that will be also be getting out by end of this week.
Okay, and then to just stay in touch with us, stay connected with us, here is our QR code for our Discord and our Instagram. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email or Discord. And again, we are so grateful that you guys all joined us. We hope you had a really great experience, and everyone who joined us yesterday in person, it was great seeing you all there. Yeah, and we hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you to all the participants.
Thank
Thank you to all the
you.
judges.
Thank you.
Before I head out, I just want to say good job, guys, on sending this all stuff up. It's pretty hard to do. I remember Zosh when he was starting this stuff up, and he's someone who's here before, and he used to do this. He was stressing a lot, so I can see you guys put a lot of work into it, and it looks really nice. So keep it up, and just good job.
Thank you. Thank you. We
you.
appreciate it.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Thank
much for
you.
joining as a judge.
Yeah. No, of course. Oh yeah, and I'd love to do it again. This was great. Thanks. Have a good
Thank
one.
you. And that wraps up. So if you guys have any questions,